Welcome to 49 Breakneck Hill Road in Middlebury, Connecticut. We have a huge, beautiful ranch here. We got 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a huge lower level that you could finish. And that's not even the best part. This property is amazing. You need to get here. I'm Jason R. Curry with the Freedom Team of eXp Realty. Come check this out. Imagine yourself having your first cup of coffee, sitting out here, enjoying that stream, the sound, the tranquility. This is a place. Or imagine yourself winding down with a glass of wine and just letting the night calm you down.